Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys all how to get community guidelines and what is new and how to use the YouTube Studio settings. Number one, I'm going to show you all what's new in the studio. So first, if you go to your dashboard onto YouTube, there is increasing short lengths. That means you can add 3 minutes, up to 3 minutes on your YouTube short, and then expansion of channel permissions and upcoming changes to community guideline warnings. Now, it is really hard to get channel guidelines, right? What you need to be doing to get community guidelines, number one, is the most hardest part of it, 300 subscribers. Yep, you need 300 subscribers in order to get community guidelines. Also, another thing is that you must be age verified on YouTube to have community guidelines. If you are not verified, well, just to say, you can't get community guidelines like that. And you can't really get anything if you are like that. So, yeah. But now I'm going to move on to the channel settings. You guys have been asking me, how do I use the channel settings? Well, it is really easy, and what you can do is simple. First, you want to head over to your YouTube Studio. Then you want to hover your mouse all the way over to settings. Click on it. You'll see the currency. If you want to change your currency, you can. For an example, I'm going to change my thing to US dollars. Like, I do not really have that much, but if you didn't know, the United States is on here. I just cannot find a Canadian dollar because it's the US is just USA, I think. It might be. I just don't know what it's at. Oh yeah, it's USD. And then you click save. If you want to cancel, you click cancel, but I didn't click cancel because I want to stay as the USD. Now let's get into the channel community settings. Now, you can change your country. If you move to a new country, you can select your country of what you're in. For example, I live in Texas, so I'd click United States. But I don't live in Texas. I live in Indiana. And then let's go to advanced settings. You can change your review of kids or not, and then you can add a link account to Google Ads, automatic captions, advertisements, and etc. You just like this. I wouldn't select this. This can actually you can get banned for this. Feature eligibility. You can use standard features, permanent features, and advanced features. Alright, you need to have your valid ID, which my mother helped me with this because YouTube said you're not old enough, but now I'm old enough to have my own channel, and I also have a government ID that I can do on. But I did the video verification. So, then you can use, features, like appealing and stuff. You can have eligible to apply for monetization. Alright, let's go to the upload defaults. Now, this one is really, really severe. This is the most important part of your channel settings. Number one, you want to always, if you want all your videos to be public, you just click visibility and then click public, like this. You just click visibility and then you click public, and then you can add your title that you always want, I guess, and then you can have your description. That has been mine for like a while now, and sometimes I just edit my thing. Now, this is the most important one of the entire video right now. Tags. You can add your own tags to YouTube, and you can like add your own like agreements and stuff, but I'm not gonna get into all that. Alright, this one is not that important actually. This one, yeah. This one really doesn't matter as matter of fact. Get it? Matter. Okay, not funny at all. But yeah, this is a really, really cool feature, I guess. Alright, let's go to permissions. Permissions, that's my mom's email. You guys want to go to my mom and invite her, I guess. I don't care. Man, now, I just forgot, by the way, guys, when my video is paused, I just realized channel guidelines is actually in here, and so that's why I skipped it, because I was going to go on to channel guidelines later. Alright, then, these are content controls. You can send your own, like, content moderation. Alright, user management. You can add managing moderators. Right now, I have a few people as my moderators right now, and two of them are actually getting deleted since they're not really part of it. But and then we got approved users. These are all my approved users. Hidden users are all of these. I don't know why I did that. Jack Doherty did nothing. I don't know what I did to him. He didn't even hidden use. Don't you? Yeah, you. Oh, you can easily just put a hidden channel right there. Alright, let's go to the creator demographics. I'm not going to be doing this. I'm not showing you because you have no choice but to submit. Yes. Let's go to promotions. Promotions, you all know what this is. You don't really need to know what it is. But we're gonna head into the new one. Channel guidelines, or community guidelines, as you would say. Now, they're only available onto mobile devices. So you don't only see them on mobile devices. Now, if you go to your YouTube settings, then go to community moderation. Then you want to go to your channel guidelines, as I skipped it because it was actually in the channel moderation. I never deleted this. Wait a minute. Okay. Let's get back to what I was doing. Alright, here is where it gets interesting. You guys have been asking me how to use channel guidelines. I don't know why it's still there, but no worries. I'm going to add a new channel channel guidelines anyway. So, what are these and how do I use them? Well, channel guidelines is when you go on your phone and then you click the comments button, and there's like a little thing called view channel, these channel guidelines, and I don't know, like, this is, you can't actually say subscribe. You can get your channel guidelines actually removed, so you can't, like, put subscribe, but you could put, like, something to make them subscribe, I guess. Alright. Other than that, I'm going to tell you guys how they are used. You can use example guidelines or you can write your own guidelines, and I think that's pretty cool. Now, what are channel guidelines and how can I use them? Well, you must have 300 subscribers or over to use community guidelines and channel guidelines. Community guidelines is where it's everywhere on your channel, but no one has actually done it because it's kind of stupid and no one uses it. But the welcome message is the community guideline. You must also have 300 subscribers or more. But the community guidelines are better, I think. But other than that, you can write your own guideline. Like, I'm trying to make my own guideline right now. And I'm going to show you guys what it is. So enjoy. Have a good day. Because if you're thinking of good day, it's supposed to be fancy. Oh, my mouse is really laggy right now. I have to let it sit right now. Alright. And be civil and respectful. I'm gonna add it actually. There. That is how you add your own guidelines. And my next video will be how you can make your own YouTube effects. I hope you guys had such a good time watching this video right here. If you guys want to watch more videos, just go to my channel down below. I post Roblox stuff and etc. etc. So if you guys want to watch right here and want to watch my videos, please consider liking and subscribing. I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers so I can get monetized finally. But yeah, peace out, homes.